Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add our own music to TikTok. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our TikTok application, and here we can start to create a post on TikTok. We can click on this plus button to start creating new post. And here guys, we can click on the add sound option. Right, and you can go to the your sounds, and here you can choose import sound from a video or import local sound, and I'm going to import sound from my device, so I'm going to click on this option, and these are the sounds in my device. Then we can select them. I'm going to select two sounds. For example, I'm gonna go with this one and this one, and after that we can click on import sounds. Okay, and now the musics or these sounds have been imported to TikTok. Then we can use it to be added to our post. And I'm going to add this sound to my post. We can click on the sound, then we can click on this check mark. And as you can see that the sound has been added to the TikTok post, and we can use it. Here we can take a new video or photo by TikTok camera, or we can also upload photo or video from our device like this. And after we're done, we just need to click on next to post this video or a photo to our TikTok. Alright guys, and that's how we can add our own music or sounds to TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.